All right, let's look at 10a here. You're going to write an equation that is perpendicular to this graph and whose y-intercept is that. So let's find the slope first. Perpendicular. This is the original slope, which is -4, all right? Okay, this is the original. Now we want the perpendicular. So remember what I told you to do, the opposite reciprocal. So make this over 1. The 1 goes on top, becomes a 1. The -4 goes to the bottom, and we change the sign so the negative becomes a positive. So here we can write that the m is equal to +1/4. Lucky for us, the y-intercept is already given to you as b is equal to 3. So your answer is y is equal to 1/4 x plus the y-intercept of 3. 1/4 x plus 3. All right, so let's look at 10b here. All right, so let's start by finding the slope. Here is the slope. The original, which is 2/3. And now we want the perpendicular one. To do that, 3 goes on top, 2 goes on the bottom, and we throw in the negative sign. So m is equal to -3/2. We need to find the y-intercept, which is b, but the issue is we don't have it. But I have a point though, so we can use that. X is equal to -6, y is equal to 4. Okay, y equals mx plus b. I told you this equation you can use to solve for the b. Y was 4, so I plug in the numbers. M was -3/2. The x was -6 and plus b. Let's simplify this. -3 times -6, which is +18. 18 divided by 2, which is just a 9. Do that in the calculator if that's difficult. -9 to both sides, just cancel, leaving you with a -5 is equal to b. So that is the y-intercept here, -5. So your equation would be y is equal to the slope of -3/2x minus the 5, which is the y-intercept. So there you go. That is how you write the equation that is perpendicular